That's really great that it's able to help you with that. So, and it keeps going around again and again, infecting more people and just making it just really irritating and annoying to deal with. So I'm really happy whenever it works out for people like that. And that's why I keep telling people about this oil of oregano with black seed oil from micro ingredients, because it's really handy to have in your medicine cabinet, especially with all the sickness, all the other viruses and stuff that's going around. This is really good to have. Because to me, even if this costed 10 times as much as what it's listed for, it'd still be worth it to me, because you have 300 capsules in here. And if you take it whenever you're coming down with something, or people around you are coming down with something, it'll last you a really long time. So I'll leave a link for you to get this. You might be able to get it for less if you have the right coupons. Go check this out. I would really recommend this for your medicine cabinet.